It's me, Angelis.
I'm Annalise.
And today we're going to be unboxing Miniverse Series 2. Hope you enjoy this video and let's get started. Okay. Okay, second layer.
Let's do a second layer.
Okay, the ball's yellow.
The ball's yellow. No. Ooh.
Whoa.
Oh, look,
So I
mini.
think it brings like a table.
A table.
So it goes like this, and then you just click it on
a little hole, and then became the table.
It becomes a table.
And
And this goes on top.
it goes for a mini band.
Yeah,
I didn't notice that.
okay.
I noticed.
Let's see the collector side.
Ooh.
Whoa, there's so many to
I
collect.
know.
Check it out.
There's like a
And there's instructions. And you can scan the QR code.
Scan it.
Okay, let's check out the packages. Let's see how many packages they brought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They brought 6 packages. Close this up. Okay, I'm gonna open this one up that's blue and it says keep cool.
Keep cool.
Ooh,
It's like a little.
it's like pie filling.
Like, I think it's pie. Pie filling.
Okay, this we got pie filling. Okay, you wanna open one up? Pick one.
Okay, I'm gonna pick this one.
Okay, made fresh.
Made fresh. The sun is sticking out. Ooh, the pie!
There's pie. So I think we're making
Yeah.
pie.
I think it's pie.
Yeah.
I told you guys, but it's
We don't think we know it's pie.
Okay, can I
I'm
open
gonna-
like
I'm
this
gonna
one
make-
after you done that one, and then you could.
Ooh, so we got whipped cream.
What is that? Can
We
I open
love
this
whipped
one?
cream. Yeah, open that one.
I'm gonna open this one. Oh, this is a knife and fork. What a cool.
Wait,
Oh,
I think something fell out. Okay.
Oh, it's like a.
What
I
is
don't know
that?
what is it. It's
Wait,
like
let me
a
see.
Thing. It's like.
Oh, we'll find out. Wait, I think this goes here. Yep, this goes here. Right
We
here
got
on the top of the cap.
spreader.
And this goes the pickup, like a little
Those
utensil.
are like things. It's like tweezers.
Yeah, kind of like tweezers.
It's like a knife, but you don't
It's kind of
spread
like
it.
something you use at a barbecue.
This you get the thing and you spread on the
Yeah.
pie.
Okay,
I'm
I'm,
gonna open
this one. It says Happy Sun Farms. What is this?
It's like some bananas.
Yeah, I think it's banana slice.
Like
Oh
it's
yeah,
like-
it's banana slice. It has
So-
the banana on the thing.
On the little carton.
Banana slices. So this is like, we have a hint. This is like a banana pie. Banana
Okay,
pie.
mine
I think
says what?
it says thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, and the sun is brighting.
It says thank you and have a sunny day.
thank you and have a sunny day. Ooh, this is
Oh,
the
that's
bowl.
a tray. That's a tray. Anything
Yeah,
else?
the bowl.
Okay. Let's put the
I saw a
garbage
bowl.
here.
I have put them right inside, and let's
And
make it.
right behind the collectors is the instructions. So let's see. the pie? Oh, we found the pie. It's called banana cream pie. Banana cream pie. So here are the instructions
For the banana cream pie.
banana cream pie. Okay, so let's see. So first we need to get. Oh, this is not part of. Oh, this is part of the table. So we just set everything on the table. So first we need this, and then we need that. Okay.
Then we need pie.
Wait, and then we put the jam inside. Okay.
Be careful, it gets in my fingers.
Wow! Look at the jam.
Oh, it's kind of like
Okay, so we're gonna use a spatula to scoop it out for the
And
pie.
wait, but we gotta put this first.
Oh yeah, I forgot. So first we are going to get the pie. You need help? There you go.
I think I need help.
Can we do some tea? No, you're not gonna do some tea. There.
Okay, so we put it
Here.
Ooh, it's like little. Ooh, it's like a cone.
Okay. Open, and we're gonna put the jam.
Oh, I got it in your finger.
Okay, we'll clean it up later.
You can put it all in. Some people
It needs to fill it to the top so it can be pie. Wanna try some?
Yeah.
Fill the rest to the top. Two up to here. Be careful. Make sure you put it in the middle.
Okay. Spread it.
Oh yeah. Okay. Wait.
Spread it.
It's good. Spread it.
I think you
Okay.
should close it.
Here, close it up. Okay.
My hands are all
This is
sticky. Because of that caramel.
I wish it was edible. It smells. It doesn't smell good, but it doesn't smell like anything. But it does smell good. Looks like caramel.
Caramel.
Okay.
And you can put the back.
Once you do that, let's see what's next. We're gonna
Look at the banana slicers.
the
Banana slicers.
the
The
what?
cream. I think the whipped cream.
We're gonna.
The whipped cream.
Let me see. The next instructions.
A little bit of whipped cream.
I just feel like I lost something. Okay, I found it. So first we gotta put the whipped cream. Open it up, please.
Wow.
Oh.
Look. I thought it was going to be cream. Like a little caramel.
Okay, so now for the bananas.
Let's do a slice.
Okay, be careful because I feel like the bananas are gonna pop everywhere.
Okay.
Okay, they're gonna
Very
splash.
careful, very careful. Can I put them on? Can I put? Guys, we're
Okay,
back
we're back.
with the bananas. They're so hard to open.
Okay.
Around where I see them.
You're not gonna sink them in. You're gonna put it on the rest of the half. I'm gonna put bananas on half of the pie. You're gonna put bananas on the rest of the half. Here.
done. Do the rest.
This is how it looks like.
Now.
And now it says to put it in the sun so then it can dry. And then the pie is done. So we'll be back.
Hi
Hi,
guys,
guys, we're back.
We put the other one in the sun.
And now
We're
we're
gonna-
gonna box
the-
Yalice's Miniverse.
It's the other one. Okay, let's open it. I don't know if it's gonna be the same. I do not know.
Okay, so first there's the table.
Okay, let's plug on the table. Where's the table thing? Oh, you need one touching. The table. Then the mini blade. Now how much? Let's see how much flour on that. 1, 2. This is the other one. This is 2, 3, and 4, 5. Look, they're all different. They're all different. Oh, they're like sweets. Sweets look very nice. Sweets. I hope I get this one right here. Put that on the side. And now, I'm going to open the cool. Keep cool. Keep cool. And that's all. That's all.
What is this? Glaze. This
Kind of
is
glaze. It's
glaze.
a donut. I want to get one of the sweets. Okay. Ooh,
Another table.
Put the right.
No,
one.
I think this is a cake.
I
Because
think
you know
it's
how
a cake.
cakes have these little
Okay.
stands?
Here. I got it. I have to get a table. I think
But this is meant to go here.
okay.
Because it brought it.
These are the knives and forks.
I'm going to open this one next.
The fork.
The fork is so cute.
I know. Okay, and what else? Okay, the same thing with little tweezers that I was called.
Let's put,
And a little ball.
let's put the tweezers here.
Mm.
The tweezers.
Let's see what's
Get it
in
out.
There it is. A little ball. That's fast.
Stick out the tweezers.
And look, the same thing. And ooh.
Put the other stuff on your side.
Ooh, it's like chocolate chippies.
Oh my god, it's chocolate chips.
Okay. They're so cute. They're so cute. Let's see which one are we gonna make.
Oh, and this, put the on top of your ball.
Okay.
And I'm gonna open this one.
Which one is it?
Oh, this is like frosting.
Which one are we making?
For the cake.
Well, you got that.
Okay.
I think it's this wood.
Yeah. Let me
It's
see.
definitely that one. It's definitely-
Yeah. It's like a red
It's like a
velvet.
red violet.
Yeah, it's red
thing.
velvet. It's red velvet. Look it. Right here, red velvet.
Okay,
red velvet.
now we're gonna make it. We're gonna.
The question, do you like red velvet cake?
No, okay.
Yeah. I'm not a fan.
Not
But if you like it, comment down below.
Okay, where's the? Collector.
Collect
Oh, here it
this
is.
one. Oh, there it is.
So we got the red velvet. Red velvet right here. Oh. It's right up there. Red velvet.
Red velvet. Right there. Okay, so if you turn it around on the same page, right? So it's right here. See? These are the instructions. These are the instructions. Show.
Put it on.
Okay.
So you put it on, then you put the
Okay,
cream.
so first it says you gotta put
The cream, the red velvet,
Wait.
then the cream. You
this. And then you put the cream. You have half of the cream, so we put that first.
keep on shaking the table. Open it. I'm very scared.
Are you scared?
Ah! So this. What's this?
Oh, that's how you do it.
And then square. Okay. Put the rest.
Okay. I'm gonna put some on the lines like that, you know?
Well,
How in the picture it looks like.
uh-huh.
I want it to look like realistic.
You make that more neater. Okay, okay. Doesn't really matter because we're gonna put chocolate chips in this.
Satisfying. If you put the glaze, the more glaze, the more the chocolate chips will
Okay,
stick.
and then
Because the chocolate chips won't stick by themselves. So let me put my hand away. Wait, let me just hold this down. Let me hold this down. Oh, yeah, so much. Just spread it out with the tip. Yeah.
I think that's
Okay,
good.
that's right.
I think that's
the
good.
other
It's
part.
good. Wait, oh yeah. Wait, let me water here. There we go, right?
Yeah.
Down there, now chocolate chips.
Wait, then make sure that's the right steps. What is it?
Yeah, the chocolate chips.
Okay, and then chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Put half
Oh,
of the
look,
chocolate
look, I got it on one side.
Yeah. This looks so real. So elegant.
Why does this want to go down?
Because so many want to go down at the same time. Let me ask you.
I'm gonna like keep them off there. There's so much right in the middle.
It's so much in the middle.
I put actually so much in the middle. Okay, put them more.
Gotta make sure we put some on the side.
Yeah, I want to put the fork right in the middle.
You could like glue the fork with the cream.
Oh yeah, that's what I was thinking. No, I wasn't.
Was it?
I wasn't. You put
Sorry.
chocolate chip.
Wait, if we do this.
Okay, I'll speak it. Now, why is there some from the floor?
That's not from the floor.
From the table, from the table. Fork.
Okay, yes. Do you think that's gonna fall on the floor? I'm not on the floor. On the mat.
Okay, okay. Now,
Okay, I think it looks good.
okay, now we'll put that and that.
Oh,
Let's show
that's good.
them, let's show them.
I didn't know you were gonna do that.
Let's show them. Okay, this is how it looks.
Okay, let's show them.
Go back.
Okay, now we're gonna put it in the sun.
You see the rest of the chocolate. Gotta figure out how to do this.
The other one is dry.
For real?
Yeah, it's
Let me
dry.
see, let me see. It
This
is dry.
Is how our banana
Pie.
cream pie looks like. And if like you want to pretend like you're going shopping or something and you see it, you can just put it back on here, close
Oh,
it,
that's what I want to do.
put it cream pie, and there it is. we'll be back when Aurelius' cake dries in the sun. Okay guys, we're back. And they dried, look at, they don't drip anymore. This is Aurelius' Janelle's red velvet cake. And this is my banana cream pie.
So yummy.
And also, while we were away and making it dry, we made with the leftover ingredients this chocolate chip banana pie.
I know, but it sounds weird.
It dried up already. So, we hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment down below. Leave a like and hit that bell button. Bell button. Bye.